Hi, I'm Piper, and this is your open source news elements sponsored by Element.fm. In today's open source news roundup for May 9th, 2025, Editor's security vulnerability in Netty. A. Serious security vulnerability has been discovered in Netty, the popular asynchronous event-driven network application framework. The vulnerability affects versions starting from 4.1.91 and impacts IBM's watsonx.data platform. Security teams are advising users to update their systems immediately to address this potential threat. Red Hat developer updates. Red Hat has announced new resources for developers working on cloud applications. They've released fresh tutorials focused on Kubernetes, microservices, and serverless applications on Linux platforms. These resources aim to help developers build more efficient and scalable cloud-native applications. CERN Linux updates for Archel 8. CERN has published its latest testing system updates for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. System administrators can enable these testing repositories using the CERN Yum tool. CERN is encouraging users to verify their systems are up to date and apply the necessary updates, with special attention to security patches. New research on memory security. A new research paper published on ARCIV discusses side-channel attacks on memory, SCAM, that exploit unintended data leaks from memory subsystems. This research highlights significant security threats to Linux and other operating systems, demonstrating how sensitive information can be compromised through these attack vectors. Linux adoption debates. A viral video discussing Linux adoption challenges has been gaining traction, with the provocative title, "I regret switching to Linux." The video appears to have sparked renewed debate about the barriers to Linux adoption for everyday users and what this means for the open source community's growth. That's all for today's open source news. I'm Piper, and thanks for watching Element.fm's Open Source News Elements.